One of the biggest frustrations that I hear and I see on message boards that I'm members of is that when a client has an issue with quality control, they are unable to get that company's customer service on the line. So A, you'll never get customer service on the phone, or B, the customer service isn't really worried about you making that client happy. They were just happy to make that one-time sale. So they're not going to work with you to help you through that client's issues. The difference in us is you're not going to have issues because the quality control has been through us, and we are manufactured completely differently than all the other hair on the market. We are 100% human Remy hair, and one of my aggravations in this hair extension world is that a lot of hairdressers don't understand that there is no FDA or governing body that regulates hair extensions into America. So therefore, these huge companies that are out there can put on a label, this is 100% Remy human hair, and maybe only one strand of hair in that whole package is human hair. But they can put whatever they want. So that's why it's important to choose a company that you trust, that you know has their own quality control, that they are controlling what's coming in to their shipments. The shipment comes directly here. Me, my sister, and some of our other employees will go through each strand of hair and we test it. That's another thing that we teach in our classes is how to look for quality hair. A lot of people have been taught what they think is quality hair when it is actually the opposite. What you think is quality hair is not quality hair. But we're here to teach you and teach your clients so that you know that you're purchasing a quality product that's going to last for your client. Because at the end of the day, the client trusts you to make that decision. And when the client has issues with their hair, say it's turned pink in the ocean, they're not calling up the company and getting upset. They're calling the hairstylist. So the hairstylist needs to be educated enough to know what causes that issue so it will never ever happen again for that client, and that client will continue to trust you and continue to get those hair extensions. And it makes us really proud that we can be a boutique company and we can be there for you, for your client, for you to get on the other side of all of this. And by the way, our hair does not turn pink from sunscreen or any other environmental pollutants, because it is actually real hair, and the way it's manufactured so differently than the rest of the hair on the market, you will not have any issues with discoloration. This is hair that cannot be compared to what's on the market. You can't compare apples to oranges. This is the Louis Vuitton of hair extensions, and if you're looking for the best and you want to provide this luxury experience for your client, this is the hair you want. So to me, that is the biggest difference between a boutique and a mass distributor, because the boutique, we are here for you and we want you to make money, and we're here for any questions you may have.